gonna show you how to create Halloween ombre. For this design I will need black color, red, sponge and little bit of transfer foil. First I will apply red color 108 Lady in Red from Kohana brand. Cure the red color for 30 seconds in LED lamp. After curing, apply black 003 on the bottom of your tip. And the red color on the middle part of the tip. Next, with Kohana sponges, I will mix colors together. I always cut the sponge and I use inside part of it. When I'm happy with the blending, I put nail into the lamp. Next, I apply colors again in the same way. I repeat this process few times, 3 or 4 times. You have to be happy with the results, with the contrast between red and black. Don't forget, cure each layer. When you're happy with the blending, now it's time for bling bling. I use Kohana light gold transfer foil and I stick into the sticky layer of color. In the end, I just secure all design with top coat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, thumbs up. Don't forget subscribe my channel.